Hello everyone, welcome to Flair Education. This video is not about any joining formalities, documents verification, etc. But my sorrow for an exam that went excellent, but yet I was not get selected. Yes, it is FCI Recruitment 2019 I am talking about. It consisted basically prelims and mains. Prelims was as same as other banking exams, consisted 100 marks, out of which I have attempted 100 with few times left. And then I got selected in prelims, and then I appeared mains on the date 27 July 2019 last year. Mains consisted basically 120 marks, out of which I have attempted approximately 110. Yes, 110 I have attempted, and it was the best attempts I have attempted in any exams, in any mains exams till date. And the result came, and I was not selected. I was shocked completely. Result was in PDF format, in which the cutoffs were in the range of 70 to 80. My attempts were almost with full accuracy. What was the reason I have not been selected? I wanted to know. Even the waitlist candidates who were selected in waitlist, they had a marks of in the range of 60, 70, like that. But I was not there in the waitlist as well as. In order to find out what went wrong with me, I filed RTI against FCI, describing my problems, providing my credentials few days ago. Initially, I filed it against Department of Consumer Affairs on 7 June 2020, but on 11th of June, the department got transferred to Food and Public Distribution, and now it's transferred to FCI. And it's been days, no reply has come yet from their side. I hope that they will reply soon. As soon as they reply, I will upload another video. This video was important because there are so many students out there who think they gave 100% in exam but end up being unselected. So I just wanted them to show how they can go for a small justice. I'm not saying that FCI is going to reselect me, or I will be called after this video. But at least I have gone for a small justice. Let's hope for the best, guys. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Any queries regarding doubts in filing RTI, choosing right departments, etc., you can mail me on my email ID. The email ID will be on the description. And for joining formalities or police verifications or leaves for bankers, you can watch my previous videos. Thanks everyone.